All right, guys. Thanks for everybody who subscribed to the channel. We just hit 500, and I can't thank you guys enough. So, been grinding this year, and I said at 500 I was gonna give out a Red Max trimmer. Hold on, which is on my truck right now. So, guys, my year didn't go as planned. We might have to push it back to 1,000 for the Red Max, but this is what I'm gonna do. Need you guys to send me an email showing me that you subscribe to, show me a picture you subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna give out a Darwin's grip right here. Put on your trimmer. It's gonna come with a Darwin's hat and some sleeves that go on your arms, like the arm sleeve things, and it's a digital business card right here. No more packing around a bunch of business cards unless you really want to. My dot card. So, the dot card right here. Digital business card, go look them up. So, for 500, you guys gonna have to do a little work too. I've been grinding, you gonna have to do a little grinding too. Send me an email with a screenshot of you subscribe. I will do a random, and whoever's a random, we're gonna send it.
Start smoking.
Alright, you gotta blow all that toward that way. Get busy. Alright, you got the ditch cleared, guys. Clear it on out. See how it's looking? Pushed all the leaves back that way. Now we're gonna go up there, we're gonna do some trimming around the house, do the bushes. You see those bushes? So got it knocked out, fellas. Bushes. Did a little edging. And there's some leaves down here in this ditch. So I'm coming back next week, and I'm gonna get these leaves over here for them and knock those out. But I'm gonna show you another leaf job that I have to do, which I got this one from his son. This is the dad's house right here. But this is, yeah, I did this. Hold on, let's see, get up out of here without hitting this trash can. Give me 1 second, fellas. All right, we out of there. All right, did that ditch, cleared that out. Blew all those right there. He told me, man, that's fine. So, got this one. I'm gonna come back and do the leaves, and this is gonna be next week. And also his son stays right here. So I'm gonna knock out the sons too. So guys, you gotta keep grinding, man. Give you a few little tips. So guys, he told me, he said, man, are you gonna be able to get me down on summertime? Yeah, I'll definitely be able to get him down summertime. Him and his son. And guys, that was like 200 bucks right there in a couple hours. Now, I charged his son $110 to cut his yard, which was super fair. And charged him $110, And give me 1 second. This is a crazy road back here where I'm at. Yeah, charging 110, and the dad's yard is like double the son's yard. So those right next to each other is gonna be a good morning next year. Cause I'll have those guys in the morning. If they get on my schedule, they'll be morning yards. I'll get them knocked out early in the morning, and that'd be a way to start the day right there. But I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you should not give up and quit lawn service, man. 3 of them. The first one, quitters never win, winners never quit. How do you expect yourself to win and you're ready to give up before you even start? See, with starting something like this, man, you're not gonna just jump out of here in the first year, I got it. Second year, I got it. Third year, you may get it. But it's gonna take some time, is my whole point. You can't give up, man. You gotta stay in this thing, and you gotta give it all you can and swing until you struck out, man. Until you like, yo, this ain't working for me. Then I can understand it. But quitters never win, winners never quit. Number 2, you don't want to sit around and be shoulda, woulda, what coulda happened type thing. Because a lot of people say, oh, I live with no regrets. I live with no regrets. I should never, oh man, you know, I just live life. You only live once, all this bull crap, bullshit, however you want to say it, excuse my language, but man, you don't want to be like, what if? I'm gonna give you a perfect example. What if I wouldn't have started this business 3 years ago when I started it? Where would I be? What if I wouldn't have started this YouTube this year and waited another year instead of starting now? There'd be less guys that I could motivate. And I believe I'm here to motivate people. I believe I'm really here to motivate the guys who they don't see themselves doing this. So you don't want to sit around, I wish I could have, or what could have happened, or you know, you just don't want to sit around like wondering what could have happened, man. So, you know, you give it a swing, give it a try, find out if you like it. If you don't like it, man, then you move on. But I had an idea of starting a lawn service. I wanted to start a YouTube channel. I didn't know it was gonna be my lawn service I was gonna be doing YouTube for. And I'm here now, man, and one thing I can't say, I wonder what would have happened if I started that lawn service. Cause now I'm, you know, I ain't gonna say, well, I am loving it, man. I'll take that back, I am loving it. I got freedom to get up, move around my own schedule. Can get to my kids if emergencies call. So I mean, this works for me. And then number 3, consistency. Consistency is why you don't want to give up. I've never seen nobody who was consistent not get good at what they're doing. Never seen it in my life. I remember when I first started, well, rewind a little bit. I used to make, well, I still can make them, but I used to be heavy into music, make a lot of instrumentals, make a lot of beats and sell them to people. And I remember when I first started, man, I just thought that I could, and this is way before YouTube, you could look up anything on YouTube to learn how to do this thing. I bought a machine, and I never forget, I paid about 700, 800 bucks for that machine. And it took me about 45 days before I ever could record my first sound on that thing. I didn't know what I was doing. I thought it was gonna be simple. I seen a guy doing it one day in the studio. If he can do it, I can do it type thing. Was not the case. I ended up having to get that machine. When I got the machine, I had to sit down and literally read the book from almost front to back and learn all of the music terminology that goes along with those keys that's on that board that I have to press. I had to learn all of that terminology, fella, to teach myself that from the get-go. Was nothing when I first started. Now when you hear that little beat at the beginning of my little intro or whatever, I did that. I made that myself. I was nothing at first, fellas. I started off as a nothing guy on the beat machine, to having guys right now, still to this day, I could probably get 150 for a beat. You know, I started off with nothing. I just stayed consistent. I had that machine, I bought it, took me 45 days. Took me maybe, man, it took me maybe 4, 5, 6 years to get like where I needed to be with that. And back to the point of what I'm saying, I didn't give up, I stayed consistent. And I still love music. Music is part of me, it's something I love to do. And if I ever wanted to go back, you know, and open myself a studio, which I've always thought about several times, and because now, you know, being able to film with this YouTube thing, I could probably have me a little studio. I know how to record, I know how to make beats, and I know how to, you know, film now. So the consistency of that paid off, and you never know, it could turn into something again here in the future. So those are 3 reasons, man, you shouldn't give up, man. Just don't give up. Don't give up, man. Keep swinging. Back to what I said, the 3 things. I can't remember in the order, but here it goes. Consistency is 1. The other one is, you don't want to be like, what if? You don't want to sit back like, what if? You don't want to be that. And then another one is, quitters never win, winners never quit. Stay down until you come up, man. Those yards I just got are totally different yards from the yards I used to have. Look at this one. You got to give credit when it's due. That thing looks good right there. So, but I got one more I gotta head to. I'm gonna go grab me some lunch. I hadn't ate yet, and I gotta get me some on my stomach. So I'm gonna stop and get some lunch, and I'm gonna start at this other one, clean it up a little bit, and knock it out. It ain't nothing but a little, I did it a couple weeks ago. Some more leaves that fell, so she wants me to come clean those up. And this is what I can say also, fellas. That guy gave me a 20-buck tip. So I worked about 2 hours, 10 minutes, something like that. Yeah, about 2 hours and 10 minutes, 2 hours and 20 minutes, 220 bucks. Pretty good. So get with you in a second. Alright guys, I should have recorded my last one. Man, you see how it look all gloomy and stuff out here, man. We got rain supposed to come again. So I'm trying to get up here to get to the crib. Plus I got an estimate I needed. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go do that estimate before I hit the crib. I just thought about that. But man, another reason why you don't give up. Lady I just left, she said when the spring hits, I'm gonna need mulch. So she's gonna need mulch, and then the guy I just did before that said, man, when the spring hits, man, I'm gonna have you lay brand new fresh mulch down on my stuff. And that's 2 mulch jobs right there. So last year I was not doing mulch at all. I was not doing bushes at all. I was not having many leaf jobs as I've been getting now. Another reason, man, for you not to quit, keep grinding. Like, when I first started cutting, I never even thought about leaves, mulch, bushes. I just thought, man, I'm gonna cut some grass. I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna give me a trimmer, I'm gonna give me a blower, I'm gonna make sure the yard look good. Never even thought about bushes, never even thought about mulch, never even thought about gutter cleaning. I never thought about none of that. But now, it's like people, my website, just Google people, you know, they see me as what I am. So, man, don't give up, keep grinding, man. Man, if you want to start this thing, another tip I give you, watch all the top tier YouTubers. Watch the smaller guys too. But those top tier guys, they there for a reason. Now, everybody's different. I got kids. I want to pass my stuff on. So, I study those top tier guys and I look at them. Man, solid advice. So if I was you, I'll study some of those and Smaller guys too. Everybody, man. Everybody out here doing their thing, man. You just gotta watch them all. Watch them all, man. Learn as much as you can. More than watching videos. Get some experience. Don't give up. The more experience, the better you're gonna get. Like I say, man, I'm just, I'm saluting myself for real. I need to give myself a pat on the back, man. I never thought I'd be having a lawn company working in December. So, man, I'm telling you. But, man, salute to everybody that subscribed, who helped me get to that 500, halfway to that 1K. Man, it means so much, man. Even if I just had one of you guys watching that was in the thing, like, hey, Boneyard, man, I love what you're doing. I do it for that one guy, man. So, and I do this because I like doing this. And then I just want to show the journey. So, it is what it is out here, fellas. You keep grinding. Don't give up. Not just lawn care. Whatever you're doing, stay consistent. Keep grinding, man. It'll pay off. Holler at you guys in the next one, man. Boneyard, I'm out of here.
Start smoking.